fellow car lovers, welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you our thoughts on the 2025 MG ZSF. This electric crossover has been making waves in the market, and we're here to dive into its key features, performance, design, and what sets it apart from the competition. Let's get started. The MG ZSF boasts a sleek and modern design, with a bold front grille, LED headlights, and a sporty rear spoiler. Inside, you'll find a spacious cabin with premium materials, an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and a range of convenience features like heated seats and a panoramic sunroof. When it comes to performance, the MG ZSF delivers. Its electric motor produces 150 horsepower and 260 Nm of torque, making it quick and responsive on the road. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 8.5 seconds, you'll have no problem merging onto highways or tackling twisty roads. The MG ZSF has an impressive range of up to 273 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for daily commutes and road trips. Plus, with fast charging capabilities, you can top up your battery to 80% in just 30 minutes. So, what sets the MG ZSF apart? For starters, its affordable price point makes it an attractive option for those looking to switch to electric. Additionally, MG offers a comprehensive warranty and maintenance package, giving you peace of mind on the road. Overall, the 2025 MG ZSF is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, feature-packed, and fun-to-drive electric vehicle. With its impressive range, performance, and value for money, it's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.